अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम मैथ्स में करेंगे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.3 और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर कंफर्टेबल फॉर एडिशन? ए, बी, सी, डी और ई और एफ। वी हैव ऑल दीज मैट्रिसेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस। इसमें से हमने चेक करना है कि कौन से मैट्रिसेस एक दूसरे मैट्रिसेस में ऐड हो सकते हैं या नहीं। एज वी ऑल नो दैट वी कैन ऐड only those matrices who have same orders. So order of the matrices should be same if we want to add the matrices. First matrix is, you can see A matrix has an order of 2 cross 2. So we can only add a matrix in A who has an order of 2 cross 2. So let's check the order of other matrices as well. First, check out the order of B matrix. The order of B matrix is 2 cross 1, so it means we cannot add this matrix in A. Now look at the order of C now. Order of C matrix is 3 rows and 2 columns. So this is the order of C. We cannot add A into C or C into A. Order of D matrix is 2 plus 1, 3, 3. It means order of C matrix is 2 cross 2 rows and 1 column. So it is 2 cross 1. Order of E matrix is 2 cross 2. Yes, we can add A and E as they both have the same order. Order of E is 2 cross 2. So we can say that we can add A and E. We can make a statement A plus E. Then order of F matrix. Order of F matrix is 3 rows and 2 columns. And order of B matrix was, let's write it down. Order of B matrix was 2 cross 1. And order of A is 2 cross 2. So we can say now, looking at the orders of all these matrices, we can find out that which matrices can be added. So let's find out a matrix having same orders. B and D have same orders, so we can add B and D. Then A and E have same orders, so we can add A and E. Let me use same colors. Okay, we can add A and E, and we can add what we can add next. Yes, C and F has same colors, so we can add C and F. So these matrices are comfortable for addition. It means if the order of the matrices are same, only then we can add them. So if we have to find out which matrices are comfortable for addition, first step is to find out the order of all these matrices. Then find out the matrices having the same order. If the matrix has same order, then we can add them. Otherwise, we cannot add the matrices. So if there is a statement, let's say A plus B, can it be possible over here in this condition? No, it cannot be possible because the order of both matrices are different. So this was the question number 1. We are going to do question number 2 now. Let me present question number 2. We have to find the additive inverse of the matrices. Okay, no, this was not the question number 2. So here is question number 2. We have to find out the additive inverse of the following matrices. What we are going to do is, additive inverse means you just have to change the signs of the matrices. The given matrix has a sign, the given matrix A has elements 2, 4, minus 2 and 1. We just have to change the signs of these matrices. What we are going to do is, First, just copy the matrix 2, -2, 4, and 1. This is the matrix of which we have to find the additive inverse. So what we are going to do is we just have to multiply it with -1, or we can change the signs. To find the additive inverse, we can multiply every element by -1. -1 into -2 Okay, we have to write this in the bracket because it also has -2 with it, minus with it, -1 into 4, and then -1 into 1. -1 into 1. So after that, let's write out the answer after equality. By just changing the signs, -1 into 2 is -2, -1 into -2 is +2, because minus minus makes minus, and minus is +2. Similarly, if it has -4, it has -1. So this is the answer. This is the additive inverse of the matrix A. We have another matrix with an order of 3 cross 3, that is part 2 of the same question. So here is the question number 2, part 2. We have to find out the additive inverse of the given matrix. What we can do is just equate it. Okay, I'm just writing it. First we have to multiply it with -1. We have to change the signs. This would be -b. It would be equal to -b. We can just make it over here. Okay, it will be equal to -b. -b is the additive inverse of this matrix, and in -b we can just change the signs. -1, 0 will be 0, and it will be +1 because it has already minus with it. We are going to change the sign into plus. Then it's -2, then it's +1 and -3. जिसके साथ प्लस है उसके साथ माइनस हो जाएगा, और जिसके साथ माइनस है उसके साथ प्लस हो जाएगा. It will be -3, 2, and -1. So this is the additive inverse of matrix B. This was question number 2, part 2. I think then it has question number 3, part 3, part 4, part 5. Third part is it has only matrix 4 and -2. This is the question 4 and -2. We have to find the additive inverse of this C matrix. Additive inverse of this C matrix will be is equal to -C. We will denote it with -C. Then next its answer will be changing the signs of all the elements -4, and changing the sign of -2 into plus will be, it was +2, or you can write it like this. Okay, +2. So this is the additive inverse of this matrix C. You can find out the additive inverse of other matrices in question number 2, part 4, and part 5, part 6 as well. I think they are so easy. You can do it yourself. Question number 3 is If A is equal to -1, 2, 2 and 1, some matrix is given A and B, C and D. There are 4 matrices. Then find out that A plus 1 and 1, 1, 1. We have to find out the solutions by adding these matrices into the given terms. So this is question number 3 in front of you. You can see question number 3 is if A, B, C and D matrices are given, what we are going to do is we have to find out A plus 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1, a matrix having 1 in all the elements. So first of all, we have to find out the order of A matrix and the given matrix which we have to add. If the order of the both matrices is same, then only then we can add. So let's find out the order of A. Order of A is, what is the order of A? Yes, we can see that we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So we can write 2 cross 2. The order of A is 2 cross 2. We have to add this A matrix into this. So write A plus 1, 1, 1. A matrix is -1, 2, 2 and 1. Adding the given matrix in it, 1, 1, 1 and 1. How to make an additive statement now? First of all, you have to write -1 plus 1. Corresponding elements should be added. Then 2 plus 1. Then 2 plus 1. Then 1 plus 1. Adding these elements will give you the result. -1 and plus 1 will be cancelled and it will give you 0. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the answer of the first part. I'm just dragging it down. Now we have the next part. Next part is B part, and we have to add B plus -2 and 3. Let's go back to the previous one where what is B actually? What is B matrix? B matrix is 1 and -2, 1 and -2. Do both these matrices have the same order? First we have to find out both of them have same orders. If both of them have same orders, only then we can add. So let's find out B plus the given matrix. Yes, it has 2 rows and 1 column. Both of them have the same order, so let's add it. Okay, this is 1 -2 and the second part, it is -2 plus 3. One and -2 makes -1, -2 and 3 makes +1. So this is the answer of adding these. Next parts are similar to this one. Third, fourth and fifth part, 6 and 7, 8. You can easily add and subtract. We will be doing multiplication tomorrow. In third, fourth, and fifth part, what you in eighth till eighth part, you have to multiply the number with the matrix. In that you have to multiply the number with all the elements of the simple of that matrix. Let's say if I have a matrix D and I have to multiply it with 2, I am going to multiply 2 by all the elements. It will give me the answer of 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 2 times 1 is again -2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4. So it will give, you have to multiply the number outside the matrix with all the elements inside the matrix. It will give you the correct the particular answer. So this was all. I'm going to upload your homework and test. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.